So my name is Caleb Favor. So today I'm going to be showing us how to create presentations with AI easily. So naturally, when we have presentations such as this, we will have to put it on PowerPoint and they're going to come up in slides, but they can take our time. For instance, I was sent this particular presentation on Saturday to do, and I did it in less than 5 minutes. I'm going to show us how to do it in less than 5 minutes. So, and the person made a remark. The person was really surprised, right? So, what I just did was I went to gamma.app, gamma.app. So this is the way your interface is going to look like. You're going to have some credits here. So this credit is available in my account, and I'm using a free account. I didn't pay for this, okay? So you can create a folder and all of that, but I'm just going to show us how to create the presentation and download it for us to present. So you click on create new. When you click on create new, you're going to click on generate, right? So generate is because you want it to be creative. All right, you want to be creative. You can choose. All of this is explanatory. Do you want to create from a template, a portfolio? But I said generate because I want to give it my words. So now the free plan comes with just 10 cards, highest, but others that are paid comes with 40 cards, 15 cards, and all of that. So I'm gonna just work with 10 cards because I think it's enough for me, right? Then I'm going to all of these options, they are very good for me. Classic is for the free users. English, it should be a presentation. I didn't click web page or document nor social. I just click presentation. So you can use it for any of these, but most of the time people like to use it for presentation because it's just beautiful. Okay, so describe what you like to make. So what I'll just do is this is my presentation. My presentation is talking about investing and stocks and all of that, how to invest in the Bible way. I didn't create this, I was given to create it. So it's a very good read. So I'm just gonna copy and paste here, right? So you can see it even as a Bible text and all of that. Then after I'm done, um, let me be sure everything is in. So everything is in. I'm gonna click on edit prompt, right? So when I click on edit prompt, it's going to load. And now there's what we call concise. Do you want it to be short, right? Minimal, do you want it to be really small? Detail, do you want it to have more words? So there's a side to this. It's going to add more words from its knowledge, or it's just going to limit it to the way you want it to be and all of that. But normally I like to make it concise. Sometimes I like making it detailed depending on the client's request. All right, so but today we're just going to make it detailed. And so right for general adult learners and beginners investors in American English. All right, so it has picked up all the instructions and you can see the visuals here. I can decide to change the visuals. I showed you this was the visual. This is the visual I used last time for the other project. So let's just use a different visual this time around. Let's tell it to give it something different. Then image art style, should it be like this or should it be like this? Let me choose like this. The former image that has two illustration, this is gonna look like. It's gonna paint very beautiful pictures like this, which is very good, right? It's beautiful, but I just want to try something new. So when I'm done with that, I'm gonna click on generate, right? Generate. So I'm just gonna click on generate. Now, when I click on generate, it's going to take me to the platform where it's going to do the work. And in less than 2 minutes, it's going to, or less than 1 minute, it's going to do everything for me. So now it's generating, writing my words, also putting in my images. Good. So you can see it's putting in my images simultaneously and making it presentable some way. So it's the same prompt I use here that I use in the other one I'm going to show you. So you can see that it is totally different, yet the same prompt. All right. So timer is counting. The timer is counting. All right, so now this last part of the presentation is actually a long one anyway, so that's why. So let's just wait till they finish it so that we will. I would have loved for so that's made up to 9 cards, so it remains a 10 card now. Like you can see it here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 9. So it remains the last card. So which is what it's doing now. So everything I've written there is what it puts there. Let me show you step by step. I'm just gonna make it very short as well. So for instance, why investment matters, world growth, financial milestones. So I go over to my notes. Here is why investment is important. So it summarized all of these things I wrote here to that. You understand? And all of that. And another thing is what is real estate property investment. Let me see if it's there. So this is it, real estate, buying properties for lease and all of that. So it just broke it down, right? So it added images as well. And now this is what it looks like on this new one. But on the old one, this is what it looks like. Okay, this is understanding taxes. Let me go back to the former one. There's yeah. So this is what it looks like. Okay, no, that's the new one I just did. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. So this is the smart investing. So it gave it a different title. This was investing with purpose. They are the same. They are the same prompt, right? They are the same prompt. I didn't change nothing apart from the color and all of that. So this is the same thing, right? So you can see the images are different. The images are different. The images are different. What is investment? This time it uses an animated tree, but in this case it uses a real plant, all right? So that's because I chose that I wanted that image style. So but the point is that it had made all of these things for me. And then what I can do is I can go over here, right click, yes, I right click, then go over to export. Then when I go back to export, I can download as PDF or PowerPoint or Google Slides. Now I can also change the font by clicking here, right? And or if I just don't want to click that, if I'm very lazy, I go back to agent, and then I just tell the agent, make my font very big. uh, then I click on enter, then it's just gonna rectify and correct, so you see the fonts are now bigger. So and that's how you can just prepare your presentation in less than 5 minutes. You're given the job to do. Yes, so we'll bring more AI automation tools as well to you people. Be on the lookout. Thank you.